What's going on, guys? Welcome to a new vlog. This one, obviously, if you've already read the title, you know that this is my new race car reveal. So check it out. What's going on, guys? So I'm in my new race car. I'm in the Porsche. I'm just driving it back to my mum and dad's. Oh, I love a good fast car. Runs really nicely. Really looking forward to getting this in the workshop, getting started on it, and getting it sorted out for next year. Come on! Alright, so I can talk to you a little bit more now. And let you know that this is the new corporate track car for next year. I'm also going to do a few races in the CALM Trophy in it, and yeah, it's my new build, my new project. So I'll show you around. Have a look. Oh, look. look who's having a go. Dad's got to have a go. Alright, so Dad had to have a go. Just going to take it for a little drive. It's good fun, isn't it? Driving the race car in his business shoes. Alright, what's the dip? What's the dip? So that is it. This is my new project, my new build. Really looking forward to getting stuck in with it. And nothing's left but to take it back to the workshop. Let's go. Alright, so that is it. The car is back. It's in my workshop. Tomorrow I'm going to take it to AMS and get it checked over like Angus said I could. And yeah, really excited. This is my new project. This one's going and this one is my new one. Yeah, and watch this space. In a few months this will look like a completely different car, and we're going to have a lot of fun in it on track. So again, thanks for watching. This is my new track car build reveal video, my new race car build reveal video, and yeah, it's a super exciting moment for me. See you later.